How are you? Today we are discussing for the Crypto Corner, navigating the digital frontier. Welcome to Crypto Corner, your ultimate destination for all things crypto. Today, we are delving into the latest trends and developments shaping the digital currency landscape. Let's jump right in. Crypto mining fundamentals. Hey there, crypto miners. In this segment, we'll explore the fundamentals of crypto mining and how you can get started on your mining journey. Stay tuned to learn how to maximize your mining profits and stay ahead of the competition. NFT Spotlight, exploring digital collectibles. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, have taken the art world by storm. Join us as we shine a spotlight on the world of digital collectibles and discover how you can get involved. From rare digital art to exclusive virtual assets, the possibilities with NFTs are endless. Crypto News Roundup. Stay up to date with the latest happenings in the crypto world with our rapid-fire news roundup. From market updates to regulatory developments, we've got you covered. Don't miss out on the latest insights and analysis from the world of digital currencies. Spotlight on altcoins, discovering hidden gems. Bitcoin and Ethereum may be the stars of the show, but there's a whole world of altcoins waiting to be explored. Join us as we shine a spotlight on some hidden gems in the crypto market. Keep an eye on these up-and-coming cryptocurrencies for exciting investment opportunities. Crypto trading tips for beginners. New to crypto trading? Don't worry, we've got you covered with these essential tips for beginners. Learn how to navigate the volatile markets and make informed trading decisions. With the right knowledge and approach, anyone can become a successful crypto trader. Deep dive into blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is the backbone of the crypto revolution. Join us as we take a deep dive into how blockchain works and its potential to revolutionize industries beyond finance. From supply chain management to digital identity, blockchain has the power to transform our world. Crypto security best practices. Keeping your crypto assets safe is paramount in the digital age. Join us as we share essential security best practices to protect your investments from cyber threats. Don't let security breaches ruin your crypto journey. Stay vigilant and safeguard your assets with these tips. Crypto adoption around the globe. Crypto adoption is on the rise worldwide, with countries embracing digital currencies at an unprecedented rate. Join us as we explore the global landscape of crypto adoption and its impact on the future of finance. From El Salvador to Singapore, the crypto revolution is reshaping economies and empowering individuals worldwide. Crypto Community Showcase. Our crypto community is at the heart of everything we do. Join us as we shine a spotlight on some of the amazing projects, initiatives, and individuals making a difference in the crypto space. Together, we are building a decentralized future that empowers everyone to participate in the digital economy. Thanks for joining us on this crypto journey. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more crypto content. Until next time, hodl on and stay crypto savvy.